Hi there! Do you have a gaming PC? Does it have a window inside it? And have you ever wondered, I want RGB, but I'm broke? Well, this video is for you. I swear this is gonna be a bad idea. Hope it works. I really hope it works. So I have scoured Shopee for the best, cheapest DIY option for a magnetic RGB strip. So I will give links to the description along with the price, and the total cost of this is only like 50 ringgit, I guess. My PC right now is currently using an old Asus motherboard, the Asus H6NC1, which doesn't have its own dedicated RGB pin. I did some exploring and I did notice that it has that one free USB pin. So what I did was I got this thing. It's a 19.2 USB internal adapter, but the problem is it is huge, so there's nothing I can do about it. And another thing, of course, since we are going to put in some RGB LED strips, we are going to need RGB LED strips. So this one came with USB power adapter, so that explains why I decided to go for the USB option. In this package, we have the LED strip connector. So I actually do not know how I'm going to put this in this printer, so I ordered 4. Last but not least, we have the magnetic option, which is the magnetic sheet. I ordered 2 sheets of magnetic sheets because I don't exactly know how much I'm going to use. I ordered 2 meters of this thing, and not to mention the plates, so that's gonna cost a lot of magnetic parts. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we have to test this strip off, because to be honest, I haven't done some testing when I first got it. And this one goes into my power bank. Hopefully it works. Yep, it does. Red, green, blue, white, and you can turn it off. Taking the side panel off, we can actually analyze where we are going to fit the cables. So one of the things is that maybe I can thread it from here, down here, and then over here, where we can start sticking these strips along to the sides. Maybe we can pull it back there. I don't know whether it can be seen in the camera, so I better just pull this off. Maybe we can stick it here. Who knows? We'll figure something out. Okay, so first things first, I am gonna have to install this thing. There. There we go. So it kind of looks ugly, but if it works, it's not ugly. Popping off the side panel, I have to do that because I am going to need to thread this through the back and somewhere down here. Sorry about that. Plugging this in here, then maybe we could thread it down this hole, and then maybe pop it up back here. Pop the remote receiver around here or here. Yeah, it looks good. Up here, I am going to put it up here. So before I can do anything, I'm going to put some magnetic sheet behind here. Plug it in, thread it down here to the back. Now we have to find the remote and thread it here. Now that needs some magnetic parts. For this, I need some scissors, the magnetic sheet itself, and also some foam tape. I am not 100% sure that this is the best solution, but that's just how it works. First we're going to track this down. We're going to have to do some cable management down there. This is not the right way to use a scissor, by the way, so I'm just marking to make sure not to cut the cable. Roughly there. All I need. So yeah, that should stick, and it is removable, so I can adjust it anywhere I want. So we are gonna do some cable management back here. So here we are just gonna tie it up around here, and then we guys gonna finish up with some cable ties connecting this part of the chassis with the cables. So I was thinking maybe we can stick it here and then run it along the top part of the chassis, but I don't think it would give a good lighting. But yeah, we're just gonna try that. So we are basically done with magnifying our LED strip. So now we are going to have to figure out where are we going to put these magnetic strips. One of the ideas are going to align it up here where it would not be much of a disturbance. Maybe I should just flip it over. Apparently in this part I have to actually take some magnetic strip off and actually try to get the adhesive on the LED strip to come off, because I'm going to put it in this connector. It's not going in. Should be going in. So I finally fixed the problem, because I need to pry each one of these nodes one by one in order to fit the connectors in, making sure that the part you're sorting into matches the part you initially cut the piece from. So as you can see here, this part matches, so you're gonna go this way. Once it's sliding with the nuts over the parts, just clip it in, give it a good tug, and you're all set. Just need some magnetic parts here and here. There we go. I have finally finished installing, and it goes around pretty well. So this part I'm not really worried about, because you know it's actually hold on by those wires and they won't be seen much. So yeah, I think it's looking pretty well. I'm quite impressed, to be honest. So while doing the test run for the LED strips, I discovered that the strips that is connected using the connectors are not working properly. As you can see, only green works, while the other colors does not light up. Then upon further inspection, I found that the alignment for the connectors aren't exactly the same as my RGB strip. So I took it out and just yeet it out of the way. Then I took around 2 segments of the LED strip. I cut out 2 pieces of them for me to actually make a new connector. So I just I took the connectors and I put it in, and then connect the smaller pieces, and then I fold it in the following way to make that nice L shape. So I just cut off some of the adhesive at the back to make sure that the parts actually stick and maintain the shape. And now we have that L shape. So we continue with more connectors and attach the second part of the LED strip and give it a test run to make sure that the connection actually works. So do the same thing with the other segment and then another test run to make sure that the whole circuit is actually working. So then I took some duct tape and reinforced the corners. Do the same to the other corner so that the L shape doesn't actually open up. And lastly, I found out that the USB adapter actually has an LED under it, so I decided to just put duct tape. And ladies and gentlemen, behold. So yeah, that's the guy. I really can't believe that actually worked though. After some tweaking and all, and it finally works. It had this little remote where you can like turn it off, turn it on, and different effects, flash, strobe. This one is fade, and lastly is smooth. I don't know what's smooth about that though, but since I'm gonna match it with my graphics card, I am gonna put it at a nice red color. It's dope. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hit a like if you think this helps a lot in DIYing your gaming PC, I guess. So yeah, hit a like, subscribe, comment anything, and yeah, I might upgrade this too, because as you can see, the lighting is like on the top area, which is logical because I actually put the lighting around the top brim. So yeah, maybe I would make a follow-up video with extending the LEDs down here, around here maybe. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.